Wise words from Nemik. Good manifesto. Yo, what's up? Welcome, this is Xavier and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be watching Andor Season 1, Episode 12. It's the finale. So I last filmed like Episode 11 on Sunday. This is now Thursday. I have not been able to catch up on any of those episodes I missed and stuff. Sorry, not any of the, not any of the episodes, I mean any of the news about it that I've missed. So this episode's title is Rich Road. Cassian returns home to Ferrix, a tinderbox that is experiencing a spark of rebellion. Right. So everybody's converging on Ferrix. Like we saw Karn is there. Cassian got the news about his mom at the end of the episode. And so, right, his mama died at the start of the episode. So Karn is there. Karn is going there. The news got through to and then the Miro told them to approve granting the funeral, so to entice Cassian to go there. So the Empire is waiting for him. Cassian is going to enter the episode, so he's going to be there. And also the rebellion knows about that Cassian might show up there, and so Luthen might show up. The news, Claire kept the news from him, but I figure he's gonna find out because he did the run away at the end in that episode with the cool the ship maneuvers and stuff. That was cool, and so he might show up there. So everything, yeah, basically everybody's gonna converge on Ferrix as a reason to be there. So yeah, let's get into it. Who's this? Is this Miro in the ship? Yeah, it is Miro. Poor Bix. She's like tormented mentally and physically because her mental well-being is just deteriorating her physical abilities right now. What's he cooking? Insert meme. Yes, I did insert the meme. Meme. Yeah, this guy's an Imperial spy. Has to be. Oh, see? He's there walking with Miro. I was right. And now Cinta is following them. Is she gonna get herself in trouble? It's definitely a weapon. A weapon of some sort.
Got a feel for Cassian. I'll be losing my mind. Want another?
This guy is selling out.
It's not like he knows about it. I guarantee you he's got no idea what's going on back on that. Don't be so sure. Hey, you know something I don't? Do me a favor, keep it that way.
Oh no, he doesn't know. He just wants to be. He's like, yo, deniability. Don't tell me. Please, I don't want to be involved. Okay, I get that. I get those vibes. I understand those vibes. But still, those looks he's making. I don't know. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. I do know that there's a post-credit scene. I did get that. I did get that news. So yeah, I'll look out for that.
It's a lie. It's total fantasy. Who's telling you this?
Please.
No, I'm serious.
Harold, please.
Who's saying this?
Just don't.
Oh, Cloris is definitely a spy, or is very nosy. What are the two?
You promised.
I've kept my promise.
Keep your voice down.
I can't hear you.
Yes, he can hear you.
You tell me who's saying this and I'll tell you why.
Please.
Where would I get the money?
That's the question that scares me the most.
Someone's lying to you.
On that we can agree.
She thinks it's you. That's the line. Oh, nice cut. Nicely done.
He's our guy in town. His boss showed up tonight. Good to see you too.
The rebellion comes first, Vel.
People don't look down the way they should. They don't look down, they don't look past the rust. Not us though, eh? Eyes open, possibilities everywhere.
That's good advice.
There will be times when a struggle seems impossible. I know this already. Alone, unsure, dwarfed by the scale of the enemy. Remember this. Freedom is a pure idea. It occurs spontaneously and without instruction. Random acts of insurrection are occurring constantly throughout the galaxy. There are whole armies, battalions that have no idea that they've already enlisted in the cause. Remember that the frontier of the rebellion is everywhere, and even the smallest act of insurrection pushes our lines forward. And then remember this. The Imperial need for control is so desperate because it is so unnatural. Tyranny requires constant effort. It breaks. It leaks. Authority is brittle. Oppression is the mask of fear. Remember that. And know this. The day will come when all these skirmishes and battles, these moments of defiance will have flooded the banks of the Empire's authority, and then there will be one too many. One single thing will break the siege. Remember this. Try.
Wise words from Nemik. Good manifesto.
They've made some odd banking moves recently. This would certainly explain it. Krieger, you're missing it. Keep listening.
Of course, he's a spy. That was clear.
Today was about wiping the taste of Aldani from the Emperor's mouth. You want to start a conversation? Find access.
Clear and concise commands. Alright there.
That's not him.
Sir?
The big man. We've been played. Where is he?
The game is afoot. I don't know. I just like saying that right there.
I told her I was coming back.
Stop.
I never should have left that morning.
Stop. She told me you'd say all this.
Yeah, it's no use saying all this now. It's already gone.
You will be an unstoppable force for good. Tell him.
Tell him what?
I love him more than anything he could ever do wrong.
That's nice. Those are good words to leave the impart. Very impactful. Watch them too, then though. Oh boy.
Double the reward. You found him. I want twice as much and a ride out of here when it's over. Where is he? Pretend you're arresting me. Hey! What are you thinking?
Oh, of course. Of course. I knew he was fine. I kind of doubted myself a little, but in the end, is he in the hotel? Is that where he is?
Where you stand now, I've been more times than I can remember.
Oh, so she grew up there. Oh, I thought she was a transplant, but no, she grew up there. Okay, my bad.
I remember every time it happened, every time the dead lifted me. With their truth, we took their money and ignored them. We kept their engines churning, and the moment they pulled away, we forgot them. because we had each other.
This is her words of rebellion.
We were sleeping. I've been sleeping. There is a wound that won't heal at the center of the galaxy. There is a darkness reaching like rust into everything around us. We let it grow, and now it's here. It's here, and it's not visiting anymore.
She's talking about you guys.
The Empire is a disease that thrives in darkness. It is never more alive than when we sleep. It's easy for the dead to tell you to fight. And maybe it's true. Maybe fighting's useless. Perhaps it's too late.
No, it's not too late.
If I could do it again, I'd wake up early and be fighting these bastards from the start. Fight the Empire!
Oh, yeah! Yeah, kick him in the face. You think?
There's no one out there. Come on.
Don't get angry.
No, she's gone. She's gonna need a lot of work, a lot of help. Ah, nice. Run, kid, run! Man, you went out fighting.
What are you doing here?
That's what she's doing here. Suck yourself, boy.
Oh my god! I thought this was a classy party.
Hey, you play dirty? You're a traitor? Face the consequences.
You? How?
Don't worry about how he saved you. Man, that boy, nah, he's determined.
I should say thank you.
I doubt she will, though. Of course she didn't.
You're bleeding. It's fine. That's blood. It's nothing.
You have great. You have. You need to work quick. Don't worry about that. Yeah, do not worry about the blood. You gotta move. You gotta move. You gotta move. Someone's coming. You guys got. You gotta move. You gotta go.
Cassian.
Oh, it's Cassian.
She's coming around. Come on.
He's not going on it. Is he going on the ship?
Straight home, full bomb, hand throttle, no comms.
Yeah, I figured he wasn't coming.
You're not coming.
Not a baby.
I never got to see you.
Take care of Biggs until I get there. I'm counting on you.
You always say that.
Because he does.
Always come through.
Cassian will fight
I will.
You guys gotta go. You guys go. Go. You gotta go.
I'll find you.
Are they meeting the gangster guy? Yep. They are. He's gonna meet someone at the ship. Maybe Cassian. Yep, it was Cassian.
Kill me. Or take me in.
He's not gonna kill you. good ending, that. But there's more. Is this the first Death Star that the parts were making? Ah. Ew. Cool. Nice tie-in. Nice, nice. Alright, so that was Andor, episode 12. Good episode. Good. Nice way to end it. Like I said last time, people were gonna die. People did die. Operator that Cassian knew, I don't know his name, he died. Some other civilians died, and that guy who was the sellout, the traitor, he died. See, the traitor team, he died, and then this guy, I don't know, Ranchi, something like that. I don't know. He died too. See, that's what happens. That's what happens. Who else died? That was a major character. Well, not a major character, but my the guy that had enough speaking lines. Corv, the Imperial spy, taken out. And yeah, those were the impactful deaths. Right, so the major thing of this episode was about Cassian and Marva. And yeah, so once Marva started speaking, I just knew, yeah, it was gonna be a signal. She was gonna say, fight the Empire. I didn't know she was gonna say those exact words, but when she was going into it, I just knew, yeah, she was gonna say, fight them. She was ready. She wanted fireworks, and that's what we got from Pax's son. Yeah, nice. Very well done. The Empire got him, but no, we took him back, and everything went off the other hitch. Well, except the civilians that died, but you know, that's what it takes unfortunately, for things to spread. That's just a small fire that spreads an inciting incident. So Aldani was a spark, and then this is a little fire, and there's gonna be more fires. You see that Cassian was inspired by Nemic swords. About eventually it'll be too much, and they're full scale. They were full scale. A little bit here. Eventually, it's like all over the place, and they can't control it because they want ultimate control, but that's not possible because people want freedom. People who are used to. It rings true to what Luther was saying. You have to strike while the moment is good. You can't allow people to get used to losing their freedoms. The freedoms that they've enjoyed for centuries. Once they lose it, and you just get used to not having it, it's going to be very difficult to spark something. Then you got to do it while it's fresh in the minds, and that's what this is. Because these people are used to not complete freedom, because the Republic was a thing that's they had the rules and everything, but there is certainly a lot of freedom, and so the Empire is pushing in the territory. They're being tyrannical. They're imposing harsher sentences, and people are not gonna like that, and they're gonna fight back, and so that's what we saw here. And which eventually feeds into the larger rebellion. Yeah, basically. So, good episode. I like the theme. Well done. Nothing bad to say. Karn is weaseling his way back into the Empire, so he saved Mira's life, so he's gotta get something as a result, a reward, and that's obviously going to be some kind of position back. What else? Well, we saw Cinta, so she's about that action. She killed Corv with no hesitation. She would just lured him in by pretending to be me, and then she just bang bang boom, stabbed him a couple times, taken out, and that guy with the third time taken out. Yeah. Cassian got Bix back, and Luthen is accepting Cassian into the rebellion now because Cassian's ready. He took Marva's words to heart, he took Nemik's words to heart, and he's a bit dirty, but he's no longer ready to just sit by the wayside, sit by the sidelines. He wants to get on the pitch. He wants to play. He wants to be in the ball game. So, congrats to him for that. And Martha, she accepted the offer that she had to cover up her finances, and well, she basically had no choice because she still wants to be influential and provide financing, and she just had to do it. She had to compromise herself. It's like he said in the episode, but she was lying about not thinking about it. She was thinking about it. She had to do it. And part of me thinks that that thing with her and her husband, that was her planting something in for Blevin, because she knows Clarice is spying. She knew Clarice was spying on her. That she was planting something to like, yo, it's gambling. Whatever irregularities you may see, it's gambling related. It's not about me financing some of the rebellion. It's basically gambling. So, big brain, love that. And yeah, so overall, good series, very good. 8.5 out of 10. Really enjoyed it. I don't have anything to compare it to as regards Boba Fett and Obi-Wan because I haven't watched those yet. But as comparison to like the Mandalorian, yeah, it's up there for me. And I really like the Mandalorian. I like the Mandalorian better, but it was close. Yeah, so giving it a lot of good marks all over the field, all over the map. Not gonna find a lot of criticisms for me here. I think I might have criticized one or two things about some things I didn't understand, but at this point, it doesn't matter because this talk is about radicalizing, not radicalizing. It was about allowing Cassian to come to terms with what he needed to do, and we got that complete arc. Cassian was lost, he found his way, and now he's invested. He's bought in. And so, I expect there will be a season 2, and season 2 will explore his initiation into this thing. And we're going to see more of Karn in a position and more of Miro and all that. So, there's lots more to mine out of this. So, I'm looking forward to that. Yeah. So, those are my thoughts, and goodbye.